Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how you can listen to audio wirelessly from your PC without using wireless headphones. It is a bit tricky. For this, you need an Android smartphone, headphones, and a Wi-Fi connection. First, you need to download this app called Soundwire. It has a free version as well as a paid version. So first try out with the free version and pay for the full version if you like the experience. In order for this to work, you also need to install the Soundwire server software on your PC as well. Then open the software and it should say status disconnected right here. And then you need to make sure that the input select matches with your current audio output. So to check that, go to your tray icons and click on the speaker icon. Then make sure that this matches with the input select. If not, change the input select to your current audio output. Then open the Soundwire app on your phone. Make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC. Then tap right here to activate the app. And now the status on your server software would turn to connected. Now you can connect headphones to your phone and enjoy sound from your PC wirelessly. There are a lot of settings that you could change to improve the quality and latency of the audio. So go through all of it and configure those as per your need. So that's been it. Hope you guys found this video helpful and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye.